Siyempre, thankful ako sa mga players lalo na sa dalawang nagbabalik na mga key players namin. So, happy kami kasi nagiging healthy, mas healthy yung team namin. Lalo na't mahaba yung conference, talagang kailangan is tulong-tulong talaga sa paglalaro. So, happy ako kasi nakabalik na sila. Yun yung number one.
Thank you, Coach. And for thoughts, yung nga na-mention ni Coach yung mga nagbabalik na players. Paano does it feel lang din to slowly get back to your game and help you play against these kinds of things?
Of course, we're happy kasi and grateful na kahit wala kami, nandyan yung mga teammates and mga coaches namin na sumusuporta talaga sa amin. Yun nga, they're very generous enough for giving me time to really take my time na mag-recover. And yun nga, thankful ako dun sa kanila kasi work in progress pa rin naman, pero yun nga, may mga support naman kami like our PTs na nag-aalalay para makapaglaro kami. So yun, ako grateful ako na yun nga, meron kaming ganitong klaseng environment and meron kaming ganitong klaseng support na galing sa management and coaches na hindi kami minamadali at gusto na talaga namin lahat na maging healthy.
Thank you, Coach. And for Alexa, gano'n ka lang din ka-proud sa mga teammates mo na each and every person is really stepping up to help the team get these kinds of wins in the mountain?
Oh wow. Definitely it's a huge confidence booster for all of us kasi knowing na everyone would deliver and stepped up every single game, every situation na binibigay sa amin. I mean, I guess to be in this kind of family also, makikita mo na we're just pulling each other up no matter what. I mean, we don't actually, we're happy kung sino yung nasa loob ng court, sino nagpe-perform. We're also happy na nag-cheer lahat ng mga nasa siguro yung second six at that situation. Pero overall, I think it's a good sense of family and teamwork yung nangyayari, most especially this conference. Kasi yung paikot talaga ni Coach Sherwin, knowing na kung ano yung mas makakatulong at mas effective na strategy in that specific game.
Thank you. For some questions.
For those yun nga, 10 points. Tingin mo ba
10 points, 5 errors.
kapalapit ka na dun sa top form na dating?
Sabi ko nga kanina, it's still a work in progress. Lagi naman, yung injury, even yung mga teammates namin na healthy, kahit paano, paunti-unti, meron naman yung mga iniinda. So, for me, I think, work in progress pa rin in terms of makakalaro na wala masyadong masakit or makakalaro na confident ako sa lahat ng galaw ko. So, I think, yun nga, siguro at this point, mga 70-80% yung sa injury ko. So, yun yung tinatrabaho pa namin ngayon.
Di ba 100? Mga 70, balik na kita dun sa...
So, Coach, nung December, nag-training po kayo sa Canada. So, gaano kahalaga yung, siguro yung experience na yun, playing against iba-ibang Canadian teams din para sa remainder ng campaign nyo?
Actually, hindi siya training eh.
Or exhibition matches pala?
Talaga para sa Filipino community lang yon. So,
Bakasyon ka.
ganun lang ginawa namin. Pero syempre, nakapaglaro kami kahit vacation, hindi basta nakapahinga. Actually, enjoy lang talaga doon. So, nagpasaya lang kami ng mga Filipino community doon. So, yun. Pagbalik namin dito, 5 days, nag-training na kami. So, doon pala kami nag-start with training.
For other like, gano'n rin ka-important na over the past few weeks, nakapagpahinga rin kayo, bonding together abroad. So, kahit sure mahaba yung conference nyo, gano'n kalaga na may time pa rin kayo for those kinds of moments off the court?
I think in this professional setup, we really need to have that balance also, that work-life balance. And it was given to us. We're very happy and grateful kasi yung management namin, laging andyan to support whatever we want to do outside of volleyball also. So magandang balance talaga. And I think the more reason to perform better pag nagbabakasyon ka, syempre nare-recharge ka, nagkakaroon ka ng new energy, renewed yung
Inspiration.
inspiration mo to actually play well and perform better in the upcoming game. So hopefully, mas nakatulong sa amin yung work-life balance
For Alisa.
for Eliza.
Para sa lang siguro, being back, what's been going right sa trade line kaya 5-0 pa rin kayo ngayon?
Honestly, in my personal opinion, I would say it's really the mind of our coaches. The strategy, the technical side na ginagawa nila. Hindi man namin totally nakikita or naiintindihan yon, but we actually, I think it's the trust we have sa coaches namin. Sa kahit anong sitwasyon na ginagawa nila and nilalagay nila sa court, yun yung papaniwalaan namin. That's why it's been working. So, in this crucial times talaga, most definitely long tournament, we just have to believe in the system and in our coaches. So, yeah. And syempre, hard work ng mga teammates.
Yeah.
Like, sama ko na.
Taray.
Diba? Habol ka yun!
For thoughts niya, yung last game before this was yung sa Kanto. Siguro, ano na yung nagiging mindset mo, knowing na hindi ka talaga naman nire-rush ng team na kumbaga gusto talaga nila ikaw 100% when you return to play.
Alam ko naman na whenever they give me the chance to play, alam ko na may suporta yan lagi. Na, kahit even sa mga teammates ko, alam ko na laging meron yung mga tao sa likod ko. So, hindi ako, like, for me, hindi ako pressured to, like, score 38 points every game kasi alam ko na may suporta yan. So,
Kaya niya daw.
but for me, yun lang. Whenever they give me the chance to play, syempre 100%. But also at the same time, one way also to, I think, ma-measure namin kung nasan na yung level, kung nasan na yung in terms of recovery ko sa injury. So, yung volleyball naman namin, hindi naman siya one man. It's really teamwork. Meron kaming kanya-kanyang role. So, hindi kami mahihirapan. Like, hindi namin kailangan mag-overlap sa isa't isa to, like, do whatever we want. So, yun naman, my mindset lang lagi is to really perform 100% kung hanggang saan ko kaya. Kasi alam ko na may mga nakasuporta sa akin.
Coach, yung next game you will be against next leg. So, paano lang makakatulong tong win na to heading into that game?
Siyempre, malaking tulong to, lalo na sa next game namin. Especially nga, nakabalik na yung mga key players namin ng healthy, 100%. Yung number one talagang goal namin ngayong taon na sa start ng elimination, makabalik na sila talaga para pagdating sa dulo or sa kalagitnaan is yung performance nila talaga aangat pa. So, practice muna ulit kami for next leg. Kasi wala namang team talaga ngayon na talagang hindi lumalaban. So, talagang pagpapracticean muna natin ulit.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you, Lance.
Thank you!